Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change language in Gemini AI. So here I've already opened the Gemini AI apps on my phone, and if you want to change the language, you need to go to the settings first. You can click on your photo at the top right corner, and then here you can go to settings. Then you'll find languages option. So the languages option here is for speaking to Gemini. You can click on this, and the current language chosen here is English. If you want to change, you can just see here there are lots of languages list that you can select it from here. You can just choose which one, or you can also use a language that works with Gemini only. So you can just click on which one that you want to use, and that's it. So guys, that's all for me. That's how you can change language in the Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.